Natural or free vibrations. If a simple pendulum is suspended from a hook and then disturbed, it will begin to oscillate with a consistent time period and frequency. This behavior remains the same even if the extent of its displacement or the mass of the bob is altered. In this scenario, we refer to the pendulum as undergoing natural or free vibration. This principle applies to all objects which, when disturbed, oscillate with a specific frequency and time period, regardless of their shape, size, or structure. These vibrations are theoretically possible only in a vacuum. However, in reality, they are not possible because of the presence of a medium. The surrounding medium, such as air, causes resistance or friction, leading to the gradual loss of energy and a decrease in the amplitude of motion. Examples of natural or free vibrations include 1. A pendulum swinging freely about its central position. It vibrates with the natural frequency which is determined by the length L of the pendulum and the acceleration due to gravity g at that place and is given as. Different pendulums, having different lengths, will vibrate with different frequencies, that is, they will have different natural frequencies. 2. A metal blade anchored at one end and then lightly moved. 3. A tuning fork struck against a rubber surface. 4. Strings of musical instruments like sitar, sonometer, violin, etc. when plucked. 5. An object hung from a spring and then stretched or compressed before being released, starts vibrating with its natural frequency. Its frequency is determined by the hardness or force constant K of the spring and the mass m of the load. The frequency will be different for the same load on different springs, and it will be different for different loads on the same spring. 6. The vibration of air inside a flute. 7. When piano keys strike the strings, each string vibrates freely. Nature of natural vibrations. Natural vibrations are characterized by simple harmonic motion under the restoring force, where the amplitude and frequency remain constant. Once set in motion, a vibrating body continues to oscillate with the same amplitude and frequency indefinitely. While theoretical models suggest these vibrations would persist in a vacuum, practical applications are hindered by the presence of a medium, which introduces friction and causes the vibrating body to gradually lose energy, leading to a decrease in the amplitude of motion over time.